unboxing knife. Now, I ordered this DJI Avata? Avata. Cine Whoop drone, right, from DJI, right when it launched, but I don't know, my order got lost. It took forever to get here. And by the time it got here, it was already released for a month, and I got busy and I was traveling, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna wait to open this until I get back, well, to the studio. So here I am bringing you some fresh, amazing DJI Avata unboxing goodness. I really wish that I was able to do this when it first came out, but I was not able to because mine didn't ship. So it is what it is, and now I get to do it with you here today. Now, what is this? Cine Whoop? Cine Whop is a term that is used to describe a drone that, well, looks like this. It's got the rings, it's little. Basically looks like a battery on top of propellers. There's probably a motor in there somewhere as well, but for the most part, this is a battery with propeller. That's what this is. I don't know if it's fast, but I'm gonna find out. It's dark out right now. So they did send us the DJI goggles 2. Now I have the first gen goggles for my FPV drone, which I crashed many times.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
But I haven't used it in a while, and I've since have moved on to a couple other drones that I've enjoyed a lot more. Now this one looks a little bit more sturdy, like it's built for me to crash it. That's kind of how I feel. So goggles, I just took some Dramamine because I get seasick, motion sickness super quick, and I've got the DJI Avata. So we're gonna get to those next, and this is obviously the Fly More kit, so you can fly more, and it looks like it comes with 2 batteries and a charging dock. As you can see right there, 2 batteries and a charging dock, and there's spots for 3 batteries because ideally you have a battery in here, so that's why you need 3 charging spots. Maybe you have 2 batteries, I don't know. Time to go ahead and get this open, or unboxed, if you will. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. This is our an immersive flight experience. Intuitive motion controller, 4K stabilization, palm size and agile, built-in propeller guards. HD low latency transmission. Sounds like all the goodness, right? Sounds like everything we need. So there's a little taggy tag right there. Don't forget your paperwork. Super important. Let's take a look at this. Here it is. It's in a plastic bag. Very classy DJI. I don't recall seeing any extra propellers in here. No propellers. Wow, so they're so confident. They're like, hey, here you go. Go play this. Don't break it, kid. Don't crash it too hard. So let's see what's in this bag here. Part of our whole. Oh, here are the propellers. Okay, I was about to throw these out. Okay, so we've got some little parts, some screws, and a little baby Allen wrench, and we've got 2 replaceable propellers. So here they are, and it's actually funny. Now that I'm holding these, I'm like, this is it? This is the propellers? There it is. Let's see what else we got in here. This is a cable. So here's some DJI charging cables. Okay, so this seems very familiar to me. Oh, doesn't want to come out, does it? You pinch it and it comes out. Oh, it does pinch and come out. I was looking for a spring, like it would pop out. It goes in here like this. Super small. This is it. Like this. Oh, pow. Ooh, okay, so there's the click. And then you pull. Oh, comes right out. A little bit easier that time around. Okay, and then you connect the things. This is little, so this is what I want to do. I want to fly it inside the studio because nobody's home to stop me. Let's open up the goggles because we need the goggles. Oh my gosh, and there's the joystick. Oh my god, I want do the joystick. Oh, I'm gonna wreck it. I'm gonna wreck it. This is the goggles. So, oh, with this thing. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, so this has got some more stuff to it. Okay. Look at how complicated this FPV thing is. I opened the fly more kit. There's stuff in there to help me fly more. I don't know what else to tell you. There's a reason nobody makes videos setting this up, because it's a disaster. And I'm going to say it, DJI, you have to do better. The instructions you give are stupid. You show me pictures of things not included in the box, but you need, like cables. I get it. We don't want to keep pushing more and more waste, but I'm like, you can at least give me the stuff I need to use. This was $1,000. This wasn't cheap. Y'all know how much it is. I don't even know if I got this, if I'm gonna do it right, if I'm gonna set it up, but it's a mess. This is a little touchpad here. Isn't that cute? So these are the goggles too. So a lot of improvements that I want to talk about, well, the ones that I can notice, is we've got 2 instead of 4, which 4 always looks silly. You've got more controls, and it looks like there's some ventilators there. So if that's to let some air in, thank you, because these things do get hot and sweaty. And there's this clip. I gotta show you this clip. Look at this. It clips, so the battery doesn't fall out while you're using it. How crazy is that, right? We're gonna clip it in place? Yeah, we're gonna clip it in place. Like, duh, why didn't we have that there before? So I don't know, but we've got a little bit of juice. Very little juice. We're gonna try to set this up and turn it on, and you guys are gonna be here with me for it. Oh, I think I turn it on here. Push it once, hold it twice. That should get you active, and it did. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ah! If you could only see what I'm seeing right now, you would be so scared. Adjust the interpupillary distance. Rotate the knob. Oh, so we can adjust it for my eyes, my special eyes. So you gotta find it where it creates one image. Goggles not activated, function limited. Connect goggles to mobile phone to activate devices on DJI Fly. Oh my gosh, we have to connect it to our phone. This is so stupid.
3 hours later.
So everything's paired. The little guy, this guy, and this guy, and now we're doing firmware updates.
1 eternity later.
Now we're activating. We're doing something. Oh, okay, we got 30% battery. So we got some juice. Oh, you gotta put the SD card in there. I'm trying to get it in there because I think if I record the goggles, that's only gonna give me what the goggle sees, which we want, but it goes in there. Can you see this? Do you see this? It's a little home. I don't even know if I can get it in there because my hands are so big. It's horrible, horrible location. Horrible location. Shame on you, DJI. First flight, a success. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, leave me ridiculous comments. Till next time, for the love of tech, I might need to get a new hobby. Bye-bye.